So it looks like even though you may be a DIY beginner, you might think, he's making it sound kind of easy, but I know it's not as easy as he claims it to be. Well, newsflash, it is pretty simple. Okay, this is the rubber washer. When you push it down into the tank, it's going to be there, and then here's my plastic nut that fits underneath. When I take that old one off, I'm not going to use the old nut, I'm going to use the new nut. Okay, and I'm going to put that on there, and then that's going to hold that whole thing to the tank. Okay, then the threads, there'll be enough threads left. There'll be enough threads left after I have this tightened up to where I'll tighten up the water supply line to that. Do you see what I mean? So not only do you have this one threaded bit, you've got the other threaded bit that's going to go on there too. It's important when you put that in, I'm going to angle that. I'm going to angle it, and I'm going to look at the old one before I take the old one off, and I see how this head and the arm are kind of angled out this way. I want to get it angled about like that. Does that make sense? I want it angled at about the same angle coming out. I don't want it too close like that. I don't want the ball having the adjustment screw too close to the back edge, let's say, or I'm not paying attention. I've got it over here like this, and I tighten it up. Okay, good. Now what? Should have been like that. Then you have to loosen things up, move everything around. And the thing I saw on this is new to me too. Remember I said you take a Phillips screw for this, and that's not the case. This one is just by your hand. You loosen it or tighten it, and see right now, see how the ball is way up high on it? Well, to lower it, and I said it had full threads. Well, this one, they only got threads right here, nothing there. And so this, I can turn it all day long on that, and that just swivels through there, see? And so if I want to raise or lower that ball, I'm going to do that. You see how the ball is lowering? See? And then after I get it adjusted, if it's too low now and I want to raise it, I tighten it. I'm tightening it, and then this ball is going to go up. You see? Oh, that's good. Every few years they always come up with some other way on how to make it easier to make these, how to make them cheaper. Everything's plastic. See, remember I said on the commercial grade, this threaded rod here is brass. Okay, big wow. I mean, these only are designed to last so long. Can you see the whole thing is all plastic? My word, is this thing meant to last more than 10 years? Probably not. I've replaced these in Maui and toilets after 4 or 5 years. Granted, those were vacation condo rentals. They were used and abused a lot, and maybe that was an issue, but I replaced all kinds of those with these being less than 7 years old. Okay, so in any case, now to adjust the tree, you see this thing here. It's kind of, see how the plastic is split, and it's split on there. Now I can't adjust that until I raise this up. And this used to be really hard to push up. Look at that, I've already got it off. Now I can, well, you see, you're supposed to unscrew this. And I wish they would just do it that way, with it being on an actual threaded deal. But you have, right here, you have to push it up a little bit more. Now you can take it and pull on it. You see how I pulled on that? And now it's up higher. I want it higher, I can pull or push in, and you can get it adjusted however you want. So after I take this old one out, before I install this, before I clip this down, see, you adjust this. Once you get the right height, then you clip that back down all the way like that. See? Now I can't move that. So I have to make sure it's up all the way. Don't just clip it down like that and think, oh, that's enough. No, this has to be all the way. Like that. Okay? So after I take that old one down, I'll adjust this. I'll push this down in there. Make sense? I want to make sure that this rubber, you see this rubber gasket? I want to make sure that the rubber gasket is pushed all the way up. Okay? And that will allow for my adjustment to be proper. You see right now, most of the ones come about like that. Well, I want to just push this up so it's tight. Does that make sense? Now, when I push it down, I can get this adjusted properly, lifting that up. Then it's just trial and error. I pull it out, I put it in there and look at it. I'll show you. But I was just trying to give you some insight on this before I take this other one out. Because like I said, this one is slightly leaking. I say slightly. The water is up like this again. Okay, inside the tank. I'll show it to you. I just had all that water out, didn't I? See there? It's hard to see, but there's about 3/4 of an inch of water down at the bottom because this is draining very, very slowly. I really don't want to take and tighten that as tight as I can, because if I do that, I could snap that arm off. Does that make sense? I don't want to do that. I've got it almost, it's just dripping a little bit, okay? So when I take this out, when I undo that and take this out, it's only going to be out for as long as I need to sit there and adjust this back and forth and then push back down in the hole. Does that make sense? And so if this thing is running just that much, actually there won't be any water in the tank because I'm going to have that out. When I take that out, it's going to be dripping, right? And so I'm going to get a bowl. I got a bucket outside. That's what I'll do. I'll take the bucket and I'll put that inside the bucket and fashion it in such a way to where it'll be dripping into the bucket. Then I can take my time adjusting this only after I get this water out of here again. Okay? All right, so just a few things you need to know, right? I mean, have I said anything or explained anything that's too difficult for you to understand? If so, you can always send me a question under the comments, or you can watch this video again. Okay? So I'll grab my bucket and get ready for the next step.